Hello everyone! Today we're going to cover part 1 of the R30 product function operation guide. How to connect and set up the small and large screens. First, the small and large screens must be on the same LAN. Network connectivity is essential. Rename the Smart Central Control Gateway Panel large screen device for easy identification. Path, system settings, about this machine, device name, edit. Initiate binding on small screen. Steps, swipe down from the top of the small screen. Settings, Home Assistant, Host Binding. At this point, the system automatically searches for large screen devices on the local network. Tap the detected large screen to connect automatically. Let's grab another R30 in demo again, showing how to connect the small screen to the large screen. Look, right now there's no device information on this R30. Steps, swipe down from the top of the small screen. Settings, Smart Home, Host Binding. Tap the detected large screen to connect automatically. Go back to the home screen. Pick the room, and you'll see the relevant devices after successful connection. The left screen of R30 is the device page, and the right screen is the scene page.